sorry.
Hello, ma'am.
I'm
Do you
dealing
control
with
your dog?
right now.
Can you control your dog?
Yeah, she's just sitting there.
Okay.
I just got back from getting her. I'm sorry, I'm not dealing with this right now. I'm going through a lot.
What are you going through? Here, ma'am, come out here for a minute.
No.
Yes?
No.
We gotta talk about something.
Alone. Leave me alone.
Ma'am, step out of the car. Hi, pup.
Someone stole my dog.
Someone stole your dog?
Yeah.
Okay,
all
do you
my
live here?
gates are closed. I went outside, still no gates are open. And she's not in the backyard.
Do you live here?
Yes, I own this house.
You own this house?
Yes.
Okay. Step out here for a minute.
Oh, come on. No,
Step
I
out of the
didn't do
car.
anything
Keep your
wrong.
hands in sight.
Get off
Officers
me.
attempted to contact her and remove her from the vehicle, but she was able to pull away, start her vehicle, and shift it into reverse. After reversing a short distance, she drove toward an officer who's positioned on the front lawn of the residence. She then turned her vehicle toward the officer and accelerated toward him. The officer was able to move out of the way and shot 7 times toward the suspect. His partner shot 3 times toward the vehicle.
Name 5.